Hello friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am unboxing, well I've actually unboxed the Anna Griffin February 2026 mystery box, and I wanted to jump online real quick and share what's inside this box. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. I've already had a sneak peek because I was recording, or I thought I was and I wasn't. So anyway, here we are. And let's get started. Okay, to begin with, the 12 by 12 paper, gorgeous. Then we have this gorgeous magenta fuchsia pink paisley, love it. Then we have an ivory and kind of a little olive green maybe. A black and white pattern, two of those. We have this pattern, which, you know, it kind of reminds me of a watercolor and then a pen and ink all at one time. I really like it. It's pretty. But this is my favorite paper. This is pink butterflies. I love this paper. Next, we have little pink bows. We all know I love little pink bows. And then we have cards. We have 2 cards of each print, and they are blank inside. But you can use these for scrapbooking, die cutting, journaling. If you like to do, you know, create albums or anything like that, these are perfect for that. This insert says, "From morning till night, may your birthday be a delight." How cute is that? And we have 2 of those. Then we have, "With the warmest of wishes, this comes to say, hope that you're feeling much better today." Oh, that's so sweet. Again, the same sentiment. Then we have, "Here's wishing you good luck in whatever you do. Success, and most of all, happiness too." Same sentiment. "An anniversary is a time to celebrate the joys of today, the memories of yesterday, and the hopes of tomorrow." That's really, really nice. I like that. Okay, and again, the same sentiment. "Life is a journey, and love is what makes that journey worthwhile." Very nice. Okay, same sentiment. And then we have, "A friend is someone who reaches for your hand and touches your heart." That's so sweet. Same sentiment. Okay, this is "With sympathy." We have 2 of those. "Happy birthday." These are the sentiments for the cards, or you can use these on your scrapbook pages or other projects that you do. You know, you don't have to limit yourself with these kits. There's just a lot that we can do. Oh, I'm sorry. "For my friend." And then we've got "Get well soon." That's so pretty. And "For someone special." So nice. I love these mystery kits. I signed up, I believe this was my first one, and I've been so excited about them. They are so nice. I mean, look at all you get in these kits. It's crazy. Okay, now these are not stickers. These you have to It's a little bee. You have to adhere these yourself. And I've mentioned before, I use this art glitter glue whenever I'm doing that. And we have a little present. Butterflies. We're getting 2 of each. And we're getting that. I think these are monarchs. We're getting 4 of those. Maybe we're getting 4. Here's 2 pink. I don't know if I just did pink. And then we have blue. How pretty. Let me start doing it that way. And we have 2 more of the presents. And we have 2 more blue butterflies. And we have 2 more of the pink. I was going over the different items in the kit and I had a camera problem. So let me get this out and let's just go ahead and finish going through the different products that are in the kit. We went through the paper, the cards, the sentiments, everything in the kit we were able to go through before my camera stopped, except for the actual embellishments. All right, let's go through all of the stickers. And these stickers are so pretty, y'all. They have like, it's almost like a watercolor effect. I hope you can see that. Let me adjust my light a little bit. Whoops. Just a little. There we go. And it looks like we get 4 of each different design. Oh, look at these. They're kind of a gray and white. So pretty. Of course, we have the roses, and they've got a really pretty blush pink in the center. And we're getting 4 of those. We have some hydrangeas that are blue. We love those. Then we have these cute, I think these are violets or pansies, one of the two. Get 4 of those. We get 2 rose bunches. Okay, we get a little tiny pink rose, and I think that's so pretty. And this kit is going to make some beautiful scrapbook pages. It will make beautiful cards. I'm excited to get started with it. Okay. And it looks like we've gone through all the flowers except for this one. Isn't that pretty? So different, so unique. So, okay, we have succeeded going through the kit and reviewing all the items in the kit. So the next step, we're going to make some page kits. So stay tuned for the next video. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.